Hi everyone, Shubha Mahastoli. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sweta. So today we are planning to go for pandal hopping. We list out some pandals address from Google and we are planning to go there. So let's see how it is. We decided to go to Electronic City. Every year there will be grand celebration for Durgapuja. We reached Electronic City. Here is a convention hall. There the Durgapuja will be happening. I will show you the place and all the things in this video. Almost 30 minutes we travel and after that we reach. Now little bit rain also started. This is the huge parking slot for this white feather palace. 40 rupees for 3 hours. Here is a overbridge to go nearby the gate of this palace. And one more lift also available for senior citizen. I'm totally amazed by seeing this palace and the environment outside. It is a large place, well decorated and so many lightings. In Bangalore, most of the Durga Puja will be happening inside the convention hall. Why? Because suppose they are deciding one empty space for this year, but they are not sure whether they will get the same space next that year. Complication, they are choosing this convention hall because this is already well decorated and it is large space. So many people can gather together. That's why it is more convenient. Outside of the convention hall, there are so many food stalls, especially the Bengali dishes, pulao, puri, rasgulla, different kind of sweets and golgappa. People are coming, taking foods, enjoying with their family member, spending some good times. Me and my sister also enjoying by seeing them. Suddenly we found one big hall. We found there is a mela kind of thing. So many stalls came. Outside the stalls, the prices are so high. We are taking rest as of now. This is a chill place. There are big fans here. So that we'll start from here and we'll go to HSR. Opposite of school there is a Durgapuja. So we'll visit there and the weather is become so nice. We'll sit and we'll start after that. Without this dhakir awaj, Durga Puja is totally incomplete, isn't it? Now we are leaving this place. The parking slot is full of cars. So many Bengali families came to join this Durga Puja. Our next pandal will be in HSR. Club name is Borsha. That is exactly opposite of one multinational school called TCIS. Here crowd is too much, so we could not able to stand here properly for some time. We saw the Devi. This is the society of Assamese, so most of the people are from Assam. They organized one cultural program there and they are enjoying. Suddenly, while going by seeing the lights, we stopped here. There is one more Durga Puja here. The club name is Sebba. Interesting thing is Devi will be in 5th floor. This is a school building and they are organized the puja rooftop. So we are going. There is no staircase to climb. They are performing some Bengali drama here, just like how we are doing in our locality in front of mandap. Now we are going to the next Durga Puja pandal that is nearby. So it's showing in the map 3 minutes. Let's see how it is looks. We reached BDA complex in HSR. So here also one function is going on. Someone is singing. Here in all pandals in the same ground there will be some food stalls. Because of that we are feeling too much crowd in every pandal, so that we can't able to stand and sit for some time. We enjoyed our day, but somewhere I am missing the happiness, the enjoyment what we used to do in West Bengal. That is something we are not getting here as of our experience. Anyhow, I will tag these addresses in my description box. If you want to check for next year Durgapuja, you can get it from here itself. Take the dinner because we are exhausted totally. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.